Welcome to AI 10. Have you seen those videos that go through how to bulk create YouTube shorts? They're full of unnecessary chat, so I'm taking you straight into the steps. First, open ChatGPT. If you haven't got an account, sign up now. You can use the 3.5 version or higher. You want to get ChatGPT to give you a batch of very short pieces of content, so for the purposes of this video, we're asking it to generate one-sentence poems. I'll start with 10, so I can judge the quality of the output. Our prompt is, you are a highly successful modern poet. Write 10 poetic phrases that instantly catch people's eye. Each one should be a sentence long and contain a maximum of 1 comma. So here are the first 10 mini poems. I want them in a form that I can easily export, so I'm going to ask it to reformat the poems into a table. I've noticed that many of the poems have a comma somewhere in the middle, so I've decided I'm going to split the poem into 2 parts. I'll ask ChatGPT to produce a table with 2 columns. Now I want each one to have a title, so I'm prompting the AI to create a title that isn't just a repeat of the sentences I've already generated. Now I'm happy with the output, so I'll ask ChatGPT to create 20 more using these specifications. You can create as many as you want, but try to generate them in smaller batches. Next, open Canva, which you can download for free. Go to the home page and click Create a Design. In the search bar, type YouTube Shorts and select the first result. I want to use an original visual that's aesthetically pleasing as a background, so I'll use the AI video generator here in Canva. You can create up to 50 backgrounds, so I'll use one background for 10 videos. Click on the Elements tab on the left and scroll down to the AI image generator. Select Generate Your Own and switch to the Videos tab. Here you can describe the background you want for your video, so I'll type as a prompt, trippy, close-up, photorealistic visual of a moving background. It usually takes around 30 seconds to generate. Once it's appeared, select and drag the video over onto your white page. Click the 3 little dots above the video and select Set Video as background. If the visual isn't centered, like mine, you can double-click and recenter it yourself. As this video is currently only 4 seconds long, I'm going to select the Playback tab and slow down the speed to x0.5. Now I have an 8-second long, gently moving background for my shorts. Next, I want to create the text boxes for my poems, so I'll click on the text bar on the left, and then add a subheading, in which I'll write title. Mess around with the size, font and colors until you're happy. Now I'll drag the text box to the top and expand its edges until the straight little lines appear. The writing's a little hard to read, so I'll put a dark box behind it. Go to the Elements tab, select a standard rectangle or square and resize it behind your text. Expand it so it reaches those same dotted lines. Then you can change the color and the transparency. Mine is dark gray and has a transparency of 70%. Next, I want to create the text template for my poems, so I'll create 2 more backgrounds using the same specification and increase the vertical length of both. In the new boxes, I want the first and second halves of my poems. Next, I'll find some music that fits the aesthetic I'm going for. You can import your own or find one in Canva that doesn't have restrictions on commercial use. I'm searching for lo-fi chill beats in the Elements tab on the left and selecting some appropriate audio. Drag and drop your music onto the page. To make my shorts more dynamic, I'm going to make the text fade in and make the second half of the poem come in a few seconds after the first half. To do this, I'll select the text and background box for column 2 and click Show Timing. On the timeline at the bottom, you can change the duration of the element, so I'll cut it to 4 seconds played only at the end. Then I'll select all 4 elements, the 2 dark boxes, and their overlaid text and click on the Animate button in the top right. From here, I'm going to make them both slowly fade in on entry. Now you want to go back and get your ChatGPT generated content. Copy all your columns and return to Canva. On the left-hand side, click Apps and scroll down until you find the Bulk Create option. Select Enter Data manually and clear the table. Click the top T and paste your data. Now Canva will ask you to connect this data to elements in your video. So for the title, I'm going to click the text boxes, then the three dots, and select Connect Data. I'll connect the title data to the title text element, and so on. Now all you have to do is click Continue and generate designs. Here we are. You can check your content to make sure everything is placed properly and recenter any misaligned text. Now I want to download my new videos, so click Share in the top right-hand corner and then Download. Make sure you check the box that says Download pages as separate files. If you want, you can add tags to your short, so I'll ask ChatGPT to create 10 tags that will help my videos be easier to find and paste them in the tag box when I'm publishing my shorts. And there we go. For the next 10, all you have to do is generate another background using AI in Canva, like we did at the start, and upload the new content using the bulk create option. That's all from AI 10 for today. Have fun with your YouTube shorts, and don't forget to like and subscribe.